The best ground beef or ground turkey tacos. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef or ground turkey, 1/2 to 3/4 cup chopped white or yellow onion, 1 to 3 garlic cloves, finely minced, or 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 8-ounce can tomato sauce, 1 jalapeno, seeded and finely minced, optional, taco shells, taco toppings of choice. Directions: report this ad. In a large skillet over medium heat, add the ground beef or turkey, onion, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook, stirring often and breaking the meat into small pieces, until the meat is cooked through, 5 to 7 minutes. Off the heat, drain any excess grease, if needed. Return the skillet to the heat and stir in the garlic, chili powder, cumin, coriander, salt and pepper. Cook for about 30 seconds until the mixture smells fragrant. Add the tomato sauce and minced jalapenos, if using. Simmer the mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season to taste with additional salt and pepper, if needed. Serve in taco shells with your choice of toppings. Makes great taco salad, too.